Hello student, welcome to Math Academy. In this lecture, I will discuss about the calculus and analytical geometry previous questions. तो आम प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन करवा तो यहाँ तुम किसी पिला माइनर अच्छी फिजिक्स ऑनर्स और केमिस्ट्री ऑनर्स मैथ ऑनर्स तो अच्छी ऑलरेडी तो से माइनर तुम सेकेंड फोर्थ सिक्स्थ माने इवन सेमिस्टर तुम माइनर मैथ रोच अड सेमिस्टर तुम कौन थी कि इवन सेमिस्टर तुम कौन अच्छी माइनर कौन अच्छी मैथ अच्छी देखी नब जो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री ऑनर्स तो आम आज डिस्कसन करवा डी बाई डी एक्स एटा प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन 2 मार्किया क्वेश्चन सब 2 मार्क तो फाइंड डी बाई डी एक्स ई टू द पावर साइन एच स्क्वायर एक्स मैंने हाइपरबोलिक तो सब बड़े आम डेरिवेटिव करने चेन रूल अप्लाई करा पड़े कौन अच्छी ई टू द पावर केते अच्छी तो तुम जान डी बाई डी एक्स ई टू द पावर एक्स डेरिवेटिव होची ई टू द पावर एक्स तो आम चेन रूल अप्लाई करवा तो कौन लिखिपारि तो ये लिखिपारि डी बाई डी एक्स सॉल्यूशन डी बाई डी एक्स ई टू द पावर साइन एच स्क्वायर एक्स तो ई टू द पावर एक्स विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स जे ई टू द पावर एक्स ताने एक्स जार केते अछि sin एच स्क्वायर एक्स ताने एतिक लिखि पारि तो केते लिखि पारि ई टू द पावर sin एच स्क्वायर एक्स इनटू आ रहि गेला के डी बाई डी एक्स sin एच स्क्वायर एक्स sin एच स्क्वायर एक्स इक्वल टू तो एटा तो हो गला तुम कौन sin एच स्क्वायर इनटू sin एच स्क्वायर एक्स और द मीनिंग ऑफ sin एच स्क्वायर एक्स sin एच स्क्वायर एक्स मीनिंग विल बी dy dx sin x sin hx रो होल स्क्वायर sin hx होल स्क्वायर दिस इज e to the power sin h square x into this is the formula of n into x to the power n minus 1 तो 2 into this formula will be 2 into sin hx to the power 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 will be 1 so I will not write and what is the derivative of again derivative of sin hx this the result will be e to the power sin h square x hyperbolic square 2 into sin hx into the derivative of sin hx equal to cos hx we know the formula will be we know 2 sin x into cos x will be sin 2x this is the formula so this will be 2 sin h square x into this formula will be sin hyperbole of 2x this is the answer another question comes in a limit x tends to pi by 2 tan 3x over tan x this is the previous questions so how will I solve these questions so first tips who do not watch my lecture in L hospital rules so they can watch my lectures L hospital rules so that they can clear about this so what are the target of these questions so solutions first given that limit x tends to pi by 2 tan 3x over tan x whenever if you put x tends to pi by 2 so what is the value of tan 3 pi by 2 tan 3 pi by 2 you all know the value of the tan 3 by 2 always infinity. How? Tan pi by 2 equal to infinite. So tan pi by 2 infinite because tan 90 equal to infinite. So tan 3 pi by 2 I'll write tan pi plus pi by 2. So tan 180 degree plus theta. So it is the tan theta means tan pi by 2. So what is the value of tan 3 pi by 2? So tan 3 pi by 2 can be represented as a tan pi by 2, and the value of tan pi by 2 3 pi by 2 will infinite, and also tan pi by 2 infinite. So this is the form of infinity by infinite form. However, this is the infinite by infinite form, so I can apply L-Hospital rule. L-Hospital rule. What is the definition of L-Hospital rules? When these types of questions L-Hospital rules, so the derivative, this is a functions, and we will take another function which will tan x. So this is a function of f of x, and this is the function of a g of x. So this derivative will take, and this derivative. So limit x tends to pi by 2. What is the derivative of tan 3x? The derivative of tan 3 is equal to sec square 3x, and the 3x derivative will be 3. Who do not know the derivative clearly, you can watch my derivative lectures. Go to the playlist and watch my derivative lectures. So then what is the derivative of tan x? Sec square x. Then I will simplifying them, x tends to pi, but whenever sec, then I will convert it into cos. So 3 by sec square x reciprocals will be the cos square 3x, so I will write cos square 3x. Then cos sec square x will be cos square x, so 1 by cos square x. Then a limit x tends to pi by 2, then a 3 over cos square 3x into cos square x will be numerator, then 1 will be denominator. So when you multiplying them, then the result will be limit x tends to pi by 2 3 cos 2x over cos square 3x. When you put again pi by 2, then also what is the value of this is the cos square x, this is the cos square x, then this is the cos square x. So carefully, this is the cos square x. Okay, so 3 into cos square x remains 3 into cos square x over cos square, because 3 by cos square 3x by 1 by cos square x. So cos square x, because numerator and denominator will be 1. So 3 by cos square 3x into cos square x, then cos square x into 3 is equal to 3 cos square x by cos square 3x. When you put pi by 2, then what is the value of cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 square, cos pi by 2 always infinite, and cos 3 pi by 2 always infinite, so infinite by infinite form. Limit x tends to pi by 2, so apply, when it is infinite by infinite form, so apply L-Hospital rules. Whenever L-Hospital rules, so what is the derivative? 3 into what is the derivative of cos square x? Cos square x derivative will be 2 cos x. So 2 cos x, and what is the derivative of cos x? Cos x derivative will be minus sin x. So I'll write minus sin x. This is the chain rule applied. 2 cos x into cos x derivative minus sin x. Now what is the derivative of cos square 3x? So the derivative will be 2 into cos 3x into what is the derivative of cos 3x will be sin minus sin 3x. The minus will be write this, and 3x derivative will be 3. Then 3 and 3 will be cancels, and minus will be cancels. 2 sin x into cos x. What is the formula of trigonometry? The formula for 2 sin x into cos x? So sin 2x, and 2 sin x. So I will write 2 sin x into cos x. What is the formula? Sin 2x. When you write 2 sin, so x instead of x I will put 3x. and cos 3x, then x will be 3x, x will be 3x, then sin 3 into x. What is my x? X will be my 3x, because compare this, this is the x, this is the x, this is the x, this is the x, x means sin 2 into x, sin 2 into x, sin 2x. What is my x? X my 3x. So sin 2 into 3x will be 6x. So what is the 2 sin x? 2 sin 3x into cos 3x, then sin 6x. When you put x tends to pi by 2, again 2 into pi by 2, sin 2 into pi by 2, and 2 will be cancelled, sin pi will be 0, then this will be 0 by 0 form. Whenever 0 by 0 forms, then numerator will be 0 and denominator will be 0. Whenever 0 by 0 form, apply L hospital rule. When you apply L hospital limit x tends to pi by 2, at the derivative of sin 2x, sin 2 derivative or 2 cos 2x, because the sin 2 derivative cos 2x and the 2x derivative 2 over at the derivative of sin 6x, 6 cos 6x. Then when you put 2 into pi by 2, cos 2 into pi by 2, then 2 will be cancels, then cos pi, what is the value of cos pi? And cos pi value will be -1. So I'll write 2 into, because when you put the limit will be removed, so 2 into cos pi over 6 into cos 6 into pi by 2. When you cancel out 2 into 3 pi, what is the value of cos of 3 pi? So what is the value of cos 3 pi? I'll write cos 3 pi, cos 3 pi. So cos pi plus 2 pi. So cos pi plus 2 pi will be cos will be fourth quadrant, and this is the 180 degree plus theta third quadrant. So this is the minus cos 2 pi. And when you know that cos, what is the value of cos 2 pi? And the value of cos 2 pi is equal to 1. So how cos 2 pi will be 1? Cos 2 pi, cos 2 pi will be cos pi plus pi. And you know what the value of minus cos pi? So cos pi will be -1, and minus will be +1. So this is the minus, this is the 1, this is the -1. So 2 by 6 into -1 over -1. So -1 cancels. So 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 1 by 3 is the correct answer of the given questions. Another questions that integrations x square minus x into cos x dx. When two functions multiply, whenever these types of questions and multiplying two functions, this is the and one types of functions means algebraic functions, and this is the trigonometric functions. So tips: always these types of questions apply by parts. When you use by parts, when two function multiplying and this two function is different, so we apply by parts. To what the formula of by parts? So when you know about the what is my first function and second functions with respect to dx, then first into integration of a second minus derivative of first into integration of a second whole dx. This is the formula of by parts. First into integration of a second minus a derivative of first or whole integration into integration of first or second. There are no options. So what is the first function you know, and the second functions how know about what is my first function and second function? This is the formula of islet or Italy. So I always use islet. But the I means inverse. L means logarithm, A means algebra, T means trigonometric, E means exponential. So in these questions, what is my first function and what is my second function? So algebra and then trigonometry. Then algebra will be first function, this will be first functions, and the trigonometry will be second functions. So I can apply the formula. So I'll write here. So so formula will be first into integration second. So first will be x square minus x. So x square minus first, and integration second will be cos x dx. Then integration of all. Then derivative of first will be x square minus x into integration of second means cos x dx. Then whole integrations. This will, and x square. You will practice these questions. Cos x integration will be sin x, and the whole integration x square over derivative will be 2x, and x derivative will be 1. Then cos x integration will be sin x, and with respect to whole dx will be integrations. And against x square minus x into sin x, what is the against this is the first and this is the second, because this is the algebra will be first function and the trigonometry will be second functions. We will know algebra will be first function and trigonometry second, because algebra will then trigonometry. So when you first functions will be, because minus then will be bracket, then 2x minus will be common, then sin x with respect to x. What is my derivative? And the derivative will be first means 2x minus 1 into integration minus second means sin x dx, whole dx. Clear? Then x square minus x into sin x, then 2x minus 1. What are the integration of sin x? The sin of integration will be minus cos x. Then minus, what is the integration over, and the derivative of 2x will be first will be derivative, then whole integration. 2x derivative will be 2, and 1 minus 1 derivative will be 0. So 2 minus 0 will be 2. Then what are the sin x, and the sin x integration will be minus cos x, then minus plus. This is the cos x with respect to dx, whole integrations. Then x square minus x into sin x minus, this is the 2x minus 1 into minus cos x plus when you taking constant 2 at the cos x integration will be sin x, and a bracket plus 1. See, the integration will be complete, then only multiplying minus, then write x square minus x into sin x minus 2x minus 1 into minus will be plus, minus will be plus, this is the cos x, and a minus plus minus 2 into sin x plus. See, this is my answer. So you also common sin x, this will be sin x, but there is this is the answer. This is the another questions which will be integrations cot qx into cosec qx into dx. This is the previous questions. So how will solve these questions? Solution: integration cot qx into cosec qx with respect to dx. So I will write cot x will be my cos x over sin x. So cot qx will write cos qx over sin qx, and cosec qx will be 1 by sin qx with respect to dx. Then when cos qx into 1 will be my cos qx over sin qx into sin qx will my sin 6x into dx. So when these types of questions This you will how will solve this questions when this methods. So cos square x becomes, I will write cos square x into cos x. Why I will write? Because when cos and sine, so ultimately you will solve this question by in this method, because cos and sine, either you will solve this, one will be sine and other will be cos. So this is the cos square x, and cos square x will be 1 minus of sine square x, and sine and sine will be one side and cos will be another side. So these questions I will write cos square x will be cos square x into cos x over sin 6x and dx. So I will write cos square x will be 1 minus sin square x into cos x over sin cx dx. So we put sin x equal to, my target is fine. When you put sin x is equal to t, then sin x derivative will be my cos x, and cos x dx will be dt whenever this. So sin x derivative will be cos x, and this will be dt by dx. Differentiate with respect to x because it will be dx. Then cos x dx will be my dt. Then when you put cos x dx will be dt, and what is my 1 minus sin x minus t, so t square over sin 6x, then sin 6x, then sin x will be t, then t6 into cos x dx will be my dt, then dt. When you separate them, 1 by t6 minus t square over t6 with respect to dt. Then t6 will be integrations. When you numerator denominator t6, when you numerator, then t plus 6 will be minus 6, and t square and then 1 by t3, sorry 4. Why? Because 6 and 2 will be 4. Numerator will be 4, because 6 minus 2 equal to 4 into dt. So I'll write t to the minus 6, and t to the plus 4 will be goes to t to the minus 4 dt. When you separate integration t to the power minus 6 dt and integration t to the power minus 4 dt, when you integrate them, then t to the power minus 6 plus 1 t x to the power n formula, x to the power n plus 1 and n plus 1 plus c. So t to the power minus 6 will be minus 6 plus 1, then minus 5 over minus 5 minus t to the power minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 over minus 3 plus c. So I'll write here, so minus 1 by 5 into, what is the value of t, what is the value of t, t will be sin x, then sin x to the power minus 5, then this will be minus and this will be minus, will be plus, and 1 by 3. What is the t to the power minus 3, t to the power minus 3, what is the minus t equal to sin x, and sin x to the power minus 3 plus c. When minus 5 will be goes to, so I will leave 1 by 5, and when will minus 5 and numerator will be the power will be, one power will be minus 5, then it goes to plus 5, 1 by sin x to the power plus 5, also 1 by 3, 1 by sin x to the power plus 3 plus. This is the answer, and you will simplify them. This is my correct answer, the given question. So thank you. If you new, then likes, share, subscribe my channel. So thank you.